wonder where the San Manuel came from? Now, let's come and join us as we explore the town of San Manuel. San Manuel is the 33rd of the 44 municipalities and 4 cities of Pangasinan. The town is named after Don Manuel Siquid, the founder and leader of the settlers from Cabugao, Ilocos Sur. We explored the virgin forest from the bank of the Agno River towards the grassy land of the west to the foot of the Cordillera Mountains in the north. In 1720, the church and convent built in Pao were burned down and the people believed it to be a bad omen, so they abandoned the site and went to Sinapog to live. San Manueleños are predominantly Roman Catholic. San Manuel was being considered as the breadbasket of Pangasinan because it was the home of 41,422 people living in the 14th barangay of the town, namely Arsabal, San Antonio, Cabacaraan, Cabaritan, Giset Norte, Giset Sur, Flores, La Palo, Nagsaag, Nara, San Bonifacio, San Juan, San Roque, San Vicente, and Santo Domingo. San Manuel has gained some prominence in history as Little Bataan because of the fierce and long battle between the retreating Japanese Imperial Army and the advancing Allied forces in 1945. San Manuel, now known for its man-made structure, the San Roque Multi-Purpose Dam Project or the San Roque Power Corporation, which is the second largest dam in Asia, is now a first-class municipality.
Nakakapanayin mo yan at sa mga kanyang pagkalaysay ng bayan ng San Manuel. Ating alamin kung paano ka nagsimula ako sa usbong ng San Manuel.
My last assignment is in Bangdan Abra. I am the information manager of the office, Philippine Information Agency, Bangdan Information Office. I retired 6 years ago, compulsory retirement. As an information officer, it is my duty during my time, of course, to write information about the government.